Hey young inventor, welcome back to Ironman Coding Class 2 where we power up Iron Man's glowing chest, the awesome Arc Reactor. Today, we are making it pulse like a heartbeat. Alright, let's bring that glowing Arc Reactor to life with a little bit of magic code. Now let's break it down like a superhero. In the setup part, we write this line, pinMode 2, output that tells Iron Man's chest light on pin D2 to get ready to shine. It's like saying, hey pin D2, get ready to output some power. Next in the loop, we turn the arc light on like this. digitalWrite 2, high, this makes the LED glow bright, just like Iron Man's energy pulse. Then we wait a little, but not too long. Just 200 milliseconds, that's like a blink. Delay 200, it's the quick heartbeat pulse so we are using 200 milliseconds. Now it's time to turn the light off. digitalWrite 2 low. This tells the Arc Reactor, time to rest, buddy. And finally, we wait another 200 milliseconds. Delay 200, this short pause makes it flash on and off like a real pulse. Want it to blink faster? Try using a smaller number in the delay. Or go slower with a bigger number. You control the power. Alright superhero coder, it's your turn. Plug in your kit, upload the code, and watch the pulse come alive. See you in class 3, where we bring even more of Iron Man to life.